ZBF1300 board cylinder is used for slitting for cardboard. At first, the cardboard of wider breadth could be placed on the working table manually and fed by the conveyor roll into the slitting knife for conducting the first longitudinal slitting. Then the cardboard of slitting stacked and fed by the conveyor device automatically into the slitting knife for conducting the second transversal slitting. So the machine is composed of upper and lower totally 10 pairs of slitting knives.
Technical date.
Maximum cardboard size 1300 mobilized 1000 mm. Minimum cardboard size 600 mobilized 500 mm. Minimum slitting width 50 mm. ZBQ410 board cutter is composed of cardboard automatic in-feed section. Cutting section is a delivery section. It is used mainly for cutting narrow strip cardboard below 50 mm. The cardboard is fed automatically by the conveyor roll into cutting knife for conducting the quick cutting. The cut speed reaches 160 strokes 1 minute.
Technical date.
Maximum cardboard size 410 mobilized 750 mm.